video, I'm going to show you how to use the color replacement tool. We're going to be painting this rose a different color. I will give you a link to this file so you can download it and put it in your drive and then put it on your computer and then open it in Photoshop to make these edits. Okay, so to use the color replacement tool, you're going to go over here where the brushes are. You can press B on your keyboard to locate it. But we don't want to use the regular brush. You want to click and hold so you can open up the other brushes that are in there. And you want to pick Color Replacement Tool. So click on that and then go up here to the brushes. And I have mine set on 300 with a hardness 100. You can do that for this. And then up here where it says Mode, put it on Color. I'm going to show you some of the different ones, but start off with Color. And then pick a color that you want to change this rose to. I'm just going to pick a light color though. Do not pick anything dark for this. So just pick kind of a medium bright color or something like that. I have it on mostly cyan there. So and say OK. So what it does is wherever you start brushing, like don't start brushing over here, but just start brushing over the rose. And anything that it sees that's red, notice how I have like a really big brush. I don't even have to be careful really when I'm going around to the edge because it's only detecting the red thing. So it makes it really quick for me to recolorize the rose. It's not like getting the very edges of it, so it's not a perfect tool to use for every occasion, but it is a pretty quick and easy way to change the color of something. Okay, so I want to show you two. I'm going to undo that. Let me go Control Z and undo it. Also, if you put it on hue, you can also do pretty much the same thing. Because the photo is gray back here and the only thing that's color is this, you can also use it as hue. It kind of gives it a little bit different look than the other one, but I want you to experiment with both of those ways of recolorizing something with this brush, the color replacement tool. Okay, and when you're done, I want you to just type your name. This is an easy one. Just get the text tool and type your name in the bottom right. Press the check mark. Obviously we can make that way smaller. Let's just make it 20 and get the move tool and put it to the bottom right. You do not need to save a Photoshop file of this because we didn't really make any layers. I mean, we have a text layer for our name, but there's no need to save a Photoshop file of this. So go File, Save As, because we're going to do JPEG, Save As. Go over here and press JPEG. This file was already had a name because it was a stock photo, but I'm going to rename it Mrs. Oak's Rose and press Save. Can leave that however it comes up. 6 is fine. Say OK and then close it out and just say don't save. We do not need to save a Photoshop document of this file.